technical difficulty, so I already did one bend, so we're back. So there's the bend I did, right angle bend. Go back to the pattern. Okay, we're marked up, ready to go. This is just another flat right angle bend. We're doing the L, the last letter in this job. It's a restoration. We have a porcelain face that says Ely Shoe Shop. It needs a cabinet. So the customer's making the cabinet and I'm doing the glass. Customer may even put this one together. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, set yourself up. Don't overbend. Block. Make it fit nice and square. Right there. Okay, now we're going to do this double back. So now we're going to do this double back right there. We're going to put the 15 mil right there, so for that height. Okay, set yourself up. Okay. So I'm going to move my pattern, but I'm going to mark that before I do. Okay, we got our pattern turned around. I'm going to make it fit the pattern. So we've got our mark right there. There. We're going to mark that one. We're going to do this in one heat. So are we in the center? We are. Okay. So we've got to heat just a little more glass. But the trick to this bend is not heating over this, only to that mark, that inside mark. If you heat over that outside mark, you'll come up short every time. So you got to know that about when you're cheating and making two bends at once. You got to know how to do it, or you come up short. And not heating past that inside mark is the trick. Okay. That worked out very nice. Okay. We're going to skip that. Well, actually, we're not going to totally skip it. We're only going to do a little over half of the bend. Actually, we're going to do the whole bend. I'm going to mark it and then I'm going to bend it back out. This is another technique for, instead of skipping, This is another technique. Set yourself up. Get it where it needs to be. Make your mark. Bend it out. Okay. Now we're going to do that drop. We got the bend made, but we just bent it backwards a little bit, bent it back out so that we wouldn't have the heat next to the double back. So that's two ways of doing it. You could either totally skip it, or you could do it just this way here. Put that right where it goes. That goes there. I'm going to push on that a little bit right there. Okay. Now we're going to put the screen back here. We're going to finish bringing this together. You don't even need the blow hose. Just heat it up enough to move it, lock it, put it on the pattern. Look at that. You little beauty. Okay. This is a little off here. So it's not bad. I'm going with it. So let's go a weld there. Could do a weld there. Just score it with your hacksaw blade, snap it off. I normally don't do it that way, but it's just another way of doing it. Go over here and grab the Y. I'm going to weld these together. I want to get an Ely of it finished. Here it is, backwards.